morning, so I'm having my breakfast and it's good. Did you miss me? Because I miss y'all. Oh, do you like my hair? I want to try something different, you know. Oh, you should tell me what other colors I should try, because I like trying something different. So you should comment down below what colors you want me to try. You never know, it might look good on me or it might look bad on me. No, I don't know, but leave comments down below so I can know what other color you want me to try my hair. Though I like this hair, it's different, unique. So, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Faith. I like to make videos, even though I haven't made any recently. God help me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my social medias. I'll leave the links down below. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So people have been asking me, why haven't you made any other videos? Oh my god, this is the reason why. I've been busy like a bee. No, that doesn't even go together. Does it? But I've been busy, you know, with school, work, just life. I've never been this busy. I just got a job recently, and you know, the beginning of you starting getting a new job, working and stuff like that, you know, you pay more attention. It's not like you're paying more attention to the job, but you wanna get used to the job so you can make the schedule and stuff like that. So I was busy with work, and on top of that, I had classes. I had May classes, summer 1 classes, and I just finished my summer 2 classes on Wednesday. So I was like, yay, I'm excited about it. I was so excited because being in school the whole summer with no break, whew, it's too much. I just thought, let me just, you know, go and take some classes during summer so I can just get some credit in, since I won't be traveling anywhere and I'll be in the house. I was like, let me just go take classes. So the problem is, after I come from school, I have to do my homework and then go to work. But sometimes it depends. Sometimes I might just get off school and then come home and then get ready to go to work and then come back from work and then do my homework. So I don't even have that chance to make a video, and I haven't been uploading any other video. But you know, since I have a week off, I'm gonna try my best to put more videos out there, because it's 1 week off school. I might as well just enjoy it before I get back to school on the 19th. So pretty much I only have a week out, and then I'm back to school, and then my life goes back again the way it was. But this time I'm going to put it together, put it in a way that it's not gonna affect me not making videos, because I have to see how to schedule. It's because I just started a new job like a month ago. Yeah, kind of like on July, end of June. So that's why I was more busy, but it's part of life. So, but I'm here to tell you why. So that's why I haven't been making any videos. But keep in look, I'm gonna be posting more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my social medias. I'll leave the link down below. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I will leave the links down below too, so you can go and watch them. And yeah, so bye.